things. Most importantly, I just want to give another thanks to Matt. Matt and I have been following each other for quite a while. We started this leadership journey together. We started on the YPN, we started on technology, we stayed on finance, and some know we did a little flip-flop too. Matt was supposed to be in this year, I was supposed to be that year. We both stepped up when it was time to step up, but I wouldn't have changed it any other way. I think we were both in the places that we were supposed to be, hopefully when we were supposed to be there. And I really had a great year with Matt. We traveled for the last 2 years together. We went to a lot of leadership summits, and he did a great job as a leader this year. We accomplished a lot as an association. We continued to push forward. We continue to be one of the top, if not the top, in our opinion, associations in the state of Connecticut. So, another round of applause for Matt. I do have a little bit of an inside gift, a going out gift for Matt. And historically, a cigar is often given as a gift for a purpose of a celebration. Often that may be a new child, a marriage, a successful business deal, or in this case, it's for a victory, for a job well done. Matt, I do have for us here, I have 3 cigars, 3, and they are good. I didn't give them the junk. One of them is for you now to enjoy for the victory for your year. And I'm leaving 2 of them for us to enjoy at the end of my term here, hopefully. Maybe for that Friday we might get out. Inside story, Matt and I do not dress like this on a regular basis. We happen to be traveling for one of these leadership summits, and we may have snuck out and went to a cigar bar. You travel with only so many suits, and we completely ruined that suit that night. That had to go back in the bag, everything else stuck for the rest of us. Also, if you were in attendance for Matt's installation dinner last year, past President Marilyn gave Matt and assigned him his very first job as president. And she said, while we finally had a guy who was in leadership, that ladies' room bathroom sink had been leaking all year long. So if you remember, Marilyn gave him a shiny new faucet. And I kid you not, within like the first week of Matt being president, he got that bathroom sink fixed. But what happened was, a couple months later, the men's urinal went down. And you know that I travel from the last town in Connecticut to Franklin on a regular basis at the board office. Drink coffee, drink water, board, bathroom. That urinal stayed down all year long. But I was at the board this week, and I am proud to say, 7 days into my presidency, despite a government shutdown, the urinal has been fixed. The secret of getting ahead is getting started was a quote from Connecticut's very own Mark Twain. The theme that I have picked for our year this year is if not now, then when. Ultimately, the phrase, if not now, then when, is often used as a motivational quote or a saying. And it's meant to prompt a person to take immediate action on any task or job that they will inevitably have to complete or take action on at some point in time. It's a quote or saying that's been used for a long time, and most notably used by the likes of Oprah Winfrey in recent times. However, it has quite regularly been used through modern political history from the likes of Robert F. Kennedy and Ronald Reagan. The point of the phrase, if not now, then when, really throws the question back onto each individual, asking them if they have a job to complete or an action to take, then if they're not willing to start that action right away, the question the individual needs to ask themselves is, when is going to be a good time to take that action? Or to get on top of a particular job or work that needs to be done. We see way too many people procrastinating or giving up excuses as to why they are not ready to take the action right now. But the fact is, when will there be a good time to take action? Is there ever really a perfect time? Why not now, rather than push things to the side and leave it for a later time? The theme is more of a motto to live by, or a change or a charge to your behavior, to step out of your comfort zone and take a leap of faith. This motto can apply to all aspects of our lives. It can apply to our personal lives, our family, our friends, personal challenges you may want to overcome. It can apply to our business lives, to reach out to potential clients, cold call, door knock, hire an assistant, start a team. Most importantly, this motto applies to our association lives. It may be time for you to volunteer for a committee, take a leadership role, or more importantly, increase your investments in RPAC. However, it may apply in your personal life. The message is simple: now is the time to step up and take action. You will see our theme constantly throughout the next year and throughout our association. My hope is that these simple but powerful words will be a constant visual reminder to you to initiate and jumpstart your plans, to step off the sidelines and join the game, and to most importantly, seize the day. As many who have said that have held the position before me, and as I am sure I will say when I am at the end, the term of this service will go quickly. By the time we kick into high gear, it'll be time to hand over the gavel. And this goes for all the directors, the committee chairs, the vice chairs, and the committee volunteers. Remember, this is just 1 year, 365 days. Your committees may only meet maybe 12 times that year. And if you're going to make a difference, do not wait. Act quickly. Remember, you are who you are, where you are, when you are, for a reason. There is a purpose. I would like to wrap up, most importantly, by thanking my family members who are here tonight to support me. First, my mom, Rachel, and stepfather, Sean. My mom's also wearing her broker-owner hat tonight, and she's always supported and encouraged my involvement with eCar from the beginning. Secondly, my brother, Jeff, and his fiancée, Danielle, live in Boston, and they are recent homeowners. I am proud to say that they did use a realtor to purchase, and I got a nice referral check. Also, my Aunt Jackie is here. She's always been one of my top fans. She is quick and diligent to send any newspaper clippings or any accolades to my 90-year-old grandparents that live in Florida as quickly as possible. And lastly, but certainly not least, I need to thank and pre-thank for the year my wife Amanda for her constant and continued support for all of my never-ending activities. She spends a lot of time behind the scenes. She's always helping with anything that I need, and she's almost always patient of all the time commitments that this and other activities require. Most importantly, she's a fantastic mother to our 3-year-old son, Red. I'd like to thank everyone who attended for coming up to my not-so-quiet corner. We hope you come back often. I am, except to do deals against me, but I am humbled and honored to be trusted to be your 2019 eCar president. Thank you.